All right. So, hey, everyone's here today. Fantastic. Tuesday, two-step inequalities. And if you always forget, you can watch the first 10 seconds of this video. Subscribe and like. Homework is just the front. Do a good job on the front side, please. Just the front side, so do a good job. Okay. So, let's see. You're going to have a test on Wednesday, tomorrow. Okay? Just because some of you are going to be on the field trip, and then Friday is Friday, so tomorrow. What is the difference between this problem All right, what's the difference between these two problems? What's up with the 8x? Yeah. So, there's no space. Here I have 7 plus 8x, and here I have 8x plus 7. So you see how I put I'm used to writing it like this, the 8x first, and then your number by itself. It's still the same problem. Literally the same problem, literally the same answer. Because in both of these problems, which number am I moving first?
7.
The 7. Why?
Because it's farthest away from X.
Yes. So always, 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 no matter how long and big the problem is, you're going to identify where your X is. Identify where your X is. He's across the room this month. Oh, okay, that's cool. And you're going to figure out what's the furthest number away. Here the 7's further. Here also the 7 is further. The 8 is literally right next to it, so you don't want to touch it. It's too close. It's too close. I was telling I don't know, did I tell you guys yesterday about the teacher? So, like, I am the teacher, I am the X. 8 would be the person right next to me, right? And then Riley would be like the 7 far away. Riley gets to leave first, okay? So, not anymore. So, always move the number that's farthest away. Okay? Some of you are overthinking it. Like, think, whoa. Don't try to do this in your head. Don't be like, I wonder what X is. Is X 5? Is X 7? Just do the math, because they're going to get way longer. So you got to make sure you know how to show work. Because when they become way longer, you know what to do. All right. What do you want to do? The left or the right side?
Left.
Left side, I like that.
7.
What number do I move first? The 7. How do I move the 7?
Minus 7.
Minus 7, minus 7. You drop down the 8x. Greater than. What's 47 minus 7?
40.
40. What's my last step?
Divide by 8.
Divide by 8. Divide by 8. What is x is greater than? 5. Got it? Same thing. Kyle, you want to make yourself as quiet as possible. Not draw attention to yourself. Will I get the same answer here?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's do another problem and see what is the difference. What are you doing?
There's a mosquito.
Okay, kill it. Extra bonus points if you kill things. Okay. Yep.
No, let it go.
Would you like it to bite you?
No.
No. So, what do we do it? We kill it first. Kill it. Okay. What is the difference in this problem?
Longer.
What's longer?
The
dividing. Here, I don't think we get the same answer. We don't get the same answer here. The other one we did. This one, we do not. We do not get the same answer. So we got to figure out. The steps are different. Okay. So do you see the difference?
Kind of, but at the same time.
So here, what is the only thing being divided? Just the 5. Here, what's being divided?
X minus 4.
X minus 4 is being divided by 5. So this, the whole thing is divided by 5. Here, only the X. Okay? So you will have different answers. On the left side, what do I move first?
4.
How?
10 minus 4.
10 minus 4?
0. Oh, wait, no.
6. x over 5. Now what?
Multiply the
Multiply by 5 by using parentheses. So I have x is less than, what's 6 times 5? 30. So our answer here is 30. I don't think 30 is our answer on the other side. So, what do I do first on this side?
the 5 parentheses.
The 5 parentheses, which means multiplication. I'm left with x minus 4 is less than, what's 10 times 5? 50, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I should have written a plus. My bad. That's not the reason why they have different answers, but sorry. I was supposed to write x plus 4. Anyways, x is less than, what's 50 plus 4? 54. Sorry, I was supposed to make it exactly the same. I changed it. Sorry. But you can see at this point, would you be having the same answer? No, it's completely different. So when you have a long line, then you deal with the number at the bottom. Okay? We are good? We're okay? We're okay? Okay. We're going to practice this some more. I don't know if you're ready.
We're not.
Yes, I'm ready.
We're not. Just skip it.
Okay. Here's my fear. Here's my fear. My honest 100% fear as a teacher.
Okay.
What I'm about to teach you right now. Notice how many weeks have we been doing inequalities?
6. No idea.
A month,
A
I
lot.
guess?
Like when we started to like draw your number line, put the numbers at the bottom, open close circle, left right. How we've been doing that for a long time.
No, that's like 2 weeks.
That's like 2 weeks already. Yeah. Okay. And then because the first week I told you open close circle. No, 2 weeks ago. Then last week I showed you 1 step inequalities, like x plus 5. This week is 2 steps. Okay. This whole time, I haven't taught you this one thing. Why? Because this one thing that scares me to teach you, the reason I'm scared is I'm going to teach you this one thing, right?
Okay.
Do I need you to do it for every single problem?
No.
No. Because how many weeks have you not done it?
2,
2-3 weeks. But I'm fear that what I'm going to teach you now, you're going to use it for every single problem. And like, no, you done 3 weeks without it. Let's see. Let me show you. I'm scared. Don't do it for every single problem.
Just for like half of a problem?
Like 1%. Because we've done 3 weeks without it. 3 weeks without it. Today's the day I'm going to teach it to you. You're only going to use it 1% of the time. All right, here we go. We're going back to basic. 1 step inequalities. 1 step inequalities. What's the difference?
It's a
Negative?
There's a negative. Now, Miss O'Malley, we've done negatives before here and there. What's so special about, why are you fearing this one, Miss O'Malley? Here's why. Ready? Okay, what am I doing? How do I get x by itself?
5 plus 5. Isn't it positive 5? Oh.
No, it's multiplication.
It is multiplication. It is multiplication.
They're right next to each other.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god. So what did you
Oh,
say?
wait, what about you, Noah?
She did.
Huh?
Okay.
Right now.
Do we all see that it's multiplication?
No.
Why is
Yes,
that
yeah,
yes,
yes,
Evelyn.
Yes, yes, yes.
I see it.
Okay, it's multiplication because they're together. I mean, we did this last week. We did 5x is greater than 10. The only difference is I'm sticking a negative on there. Okay. What's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. What number am I going to divide by?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Still okay?
Yeah.
That's what we've learned last week. We learned how to divide and divide on both sides. We did that. Okay? Now, watch. And if you're not watching, you're not going to learn this. It's a watch. What? Okay. What's 10 divided by negative 5?
Negative.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that, right? What's left on this side? Okay. Nothing wrong with that, right? So far, the same, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Message scared me.
Oh.
I'm lost. I decided to change. Wait, is it because the x doesn't get the negative sign?
What?
Wait, but wouldn't this side be bigger because actually
Okay. What's the one thing I did?
change the direction?
Change the inequality. Change the inequality. Did I make a mistake? No. Have we changed the inequality symbol when the x is first? In the last 3 weeks, have we changed this when x was first? No. The only time we were changing it was when
The
x on the other side, right? So why is it that all of a sudden today, and Miss Emma is really scared about this lesson, is she changing it?
It's a negative.
What's a negative?
The number. The X. The sign.
The number. The answer is okay to be negative. The number in front of your x.
I don't get it.
Okay, if the number, okay, watch it. If the number in front of your x, is negative, which means you're going to be dividing by a negative, your inequality switches. So, here's the rule. When you divide or multiply by a negative, you will switch the inequality. Do I talk about my answer? No. It's when you divide or multiply by a negative, you will switch the inequality. So here I am dividing by a negative. Only when I divide by a negative do I switch the inequality. Only when you divide or multiply by a negative. It's multiply or divide. Is there anything about adding and subtracting? No. No. All right. Let's say I have x divided by negative 2 is greater than negative 3. Okay? Now, draw your bars. Are you still solving for x? Do you want x by itself? Yes. What number do I have to move?
2.
No. The negative 2. This is a negative 2. I'm got to move the negative 2. Okay. It says divide by negative 2. Right there it says divide by negative 2. So what's the opposite? Multiply by? Okay. So far, the math hasn't changed. Whatever number is there, you're moving it. You're moving it to the other side, exactly whatever that number is. What am I left with here? X. Georgiana, write this down. We're not at the movie theaters. We're participating. Okay, what's negative 3 times negative 2?
6.
Positive 6, right? Did I multiply or divide by a negative?
Yes.
So you switch. Is my answer negative? No. So it has nothing to do with your answer. It has nothing to do with your answer. It's the fact that you moved over a negative number. So if you were multiplying or dividing by a negative, your inequality switches. My fear is that you're going to switch this on every single problem. That is my fear.
Do we get the word?
You have to know this. But are you capable, I'm not saying like you, but are you capable of going like, okay, when do I switch? Oh, I only switch when this happens. But kids are like, oh, I'm just going to switch every single one. I'm like, no. Tears to my eyes. Did you switch yesterday? No. This only happens 1% of the time. Does it happen in high school like every single time? Yes. In high school, you'll do this a lot. In 7th grade, you only see it 1%. You know on the map test, they'll give you a question, and if you get it right, they might give you like a similar question on the next one, just to make sure that you do really know. So on the map for these, they'll give you like an easy one where you don't switch, and then the next question is one that you do have to switch. So they want to know, hey, do you know the difference between I switch and I don't switch? Do you know the difference?
We're not doing that.
At the end of the year.
Don't we do the one in the winter?
Yeah, totally. Sure.
That was in elementary.
Yeah, they got rid of it. Okay, so let's see. Let's do a hard one. No? Yes? Maybe?
No, they don't.
Oh, okay. We won't then. Let's see. Ooh. I can sense it. All right. What do I move first?
The 6.
How? No.
Minus 6.
I don't know how to say words good.
Yep. Okay. Negative 24 minus 6 makes me sad. Negative 24 plus negative 6 makes me happy. What's negative 24 plus negative 6?
Negative 30.
Negative 30.
Not 30. Negative 30. Okay.
Do I switch it here?
No.
No, because I just subtracted 6. No big deal. It's only when you multiply or divide by a negative. Has nothing to do with your answer. It's the fact that you're multiplying or dividing by a negative. Okay, what am I going to do with the 10? Divide by negative 10. Divide by negative 10. X is greater than or equal to, what's negative 30 divided by negative 10?
Positive 3.
Positive 3. Do I switch the inequality? Yes. So, do I switch every single time? No. Only when you multiply or divide by a negative. Okay? Sometimes your answers will be negative. That's cool. But if you didn't divide or multiply by negative, don't switch it. And the reason is, if I were to use this number back into your inequality, you have to, these are the numbers. So I'm looking for numbers that are less than 3. So all the numbers that are less than 3 work when I plug it back in. Okay? I have some great news, though.
We're getting a worksheet?
Yeah.
I don't know why I like the worksheet.
Not on it. It's like speed or
All right. Let's see. Vamos a ver cómo nos vamos. Okay. Oh no. Number 1. The whole problem is on the wrong side. I don't want to interrupt, so go ahead and finish. Well, oh, thank you. Okay. Now, no matter how the problem's written, what's your goal? Your goal is to get x by itself, right? Come in. It's open. Okay, what number am I moving?
The 4.
The 4. How am I moving the 4?
Plus 4.
All right, do it.
What happened if it's a weapon?
Put that a weapon.
Pew, pew. Oh, that's not a weapon.
All right, did y'all move the 4? Y'all move the 4, right?
Yeah.
No so's.
I moved the 4 down a bit.
Oh, good job.
How did you get that?
Yes?
Oh, no.
Yes, you did this.
Sorry, I didn't check the chair. Sorry. Okay, so 5 plus 4? 9 less than 9x. Now what?
Division.
Divide by 9, divide by 9. So 1 is less than x. Open or close circle? Open. Which way do I shade?
So what the little line is pointing to?
Red.
On the opposite side of where it's pointing to.
No, what?
Yeah.
That's division.
Oh, the side of that it goes.
Right.
Where do we go? It doesn't matter because the X is on that side.
It's right.
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah, the eggs. You're right, Olivia.
Is the x first?
No.
No. So is this, can you trust this?
No.
No.
We need a ball.
You need to either rewrite it. X is first. When x is first, then you can trust it. When x is not first, you shade the opposite way.
Yeah, guys.
When the x is first, trust it. What do you mean the sign? Well, you got to better graph it correctly. So some of us need to rewrite it. Some of us know just to do the opposite.
So you don't have to rewrite?
No, but you better get it right, Kyle. You better get it right. All right, I'll do number 2 with you. Okay. What number do I move? How? Subtract 7, subtract 7. So I have -5 minus 7 makes me sad. Oopsie. I like to write it horizontal here. It kind of makes it easy for my eyes to see and do the math correctly. So what's -5 plus -7? -12 less than or equal to 3x.
Are you telling the teacher she's tripping? She just told you.
Not today. Some days, yes. All right, what's my last step?
Divide.
By?
3.
Do I switch the inequality? No. It was a +3, right? No switching. What's -12 divided by +3?
-4.
-4. Open or close circle?
Close.
Close. Do I trust it? Yes, I do. Shade to the left.
How'd you get 10 and stuff?
Aren't we supposed to switch the
What are you gonna
Why?
do?
because of the negative?
Did I divide by a negative?
That's 7?
No. No.
So it has nothing to do with your answer. It has to do with what did you move. Has nothing to do with your answer.
Oh, yeah.
That's why kids see my fears coming true. Kids are changing it. What did I not grade homework? Did I grade everyone's homework? I felt like I missed a group. I grade all your homework. I missed Scarlett. Okay. Ponte a trabajar. Okay, while you're doing that, I'm doing. Oh, we're recording again. We're recording. Okay, so here on this screen,